Welcome to CMZTrades. This is the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge, Series 2, Episode 16. We are trading Nasdaq historic price action from November 2024. We're using MarketCipher Basic Strategy. We have a customized trading plan, and we're journaling every trade with TradeZella. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the charts. Real quick, TradeZella shows we're up 56.55. We have last stream taken this trade right here. Little scalp action. We were in the trade less than an hour. And probably could have got in over here, but we discussed all that in the previous stream. Just taking a look at where we left off and where we're picking up today. Don't need this anymore. And this might still be relevant. We'll keep that for a hot second. Actually, we'll get rid of that. Let's clean this up. So 615. Why do I have that there? I don't know why this is here. Get rid of that. Where are we at? 7:30 on a Wednesday. Oh, we're done with Wednesday. Yeah, we're not. That's what happened. We took a trade during this Asian session, and that was it. We're going to pick up Thursday in the New York session. So we need to get to New York. Right here. That'll be basically 5 a.m. over here. That's right. Okay. So let's just fast forward there. Come on. You can only fast forward a minute at a time when you are doing trade replay with all time frames. You can only progress 1 minute at a time. That's a beautiful looking short. But yeah, we knew down here. Yeah, let me move that back. I think that's a spider line there. One second. And we're back. Let's get a little background noise going. Okay. All right, we're almost there. She's got a little pump action going on. Heading into the New York session here. All right, folks, we're on the charts. 5 a.m. here on the Thursday. Here's the trade we took here. Get out of that. Let's do this. Let's catch up TradeZella as well to Thursday, 5 a.m. All right, let's see here. What are we looking at? What am I looking at? 1 minute. On Wednesday. Yeah, we took a short, but we didn't take this short, did we? Oh, maybe we did. Maybe it was like this, something like that. Okay. Anyways, clean this up. We got to get all the way to 5 a.m. All right, here we are. 5 a.m. All right, we're back up here, huh? What was this? Some kind of pseudo spider line action. Got a reaction, that's for sure. Got a lot of, consolidation. We're looking at some charts here, folks. Doing some charting here. Does the 4-hour want to close above this? She tried. Still trying. This is a powerful line of scrimmage right here, this red one. That's the one that we got the 1, 2, 3, 4 hits on, and then here, just no respect anymore. Nice bullish hammer candle. Pretty long wick on this 4 hour. Got some imbalance action here. They filled this gap. Went all the way back down, then back up, then back down again. Wow. And back up. Okay. $7.25. So can't she get back down here somewhere? Yeah. All right, let's have a look at MarketCipher here. $12-hour, still doing the same thing. Money slightly coming up on the 6-hour here. Little anchor trigger action. Got a fight. Split RSIs. Seems like some sideways stuff to me. Here's that 4-hour. And we marked up over 24 hours ago. Chart time. Looks kind of weak. But this 3-hour looks good. For the bulls, you know. I think it's still got some time here. Maybe an entry opportunity closer to 9 p.m. So during the Asian session, here's the 2-hour. That money just never could get there. You know, with the RSIs gapped like they are. That's why the bulls can't get a break. Well, I mean, they did actually go on a little bit of a tear here. A lot of it. Yeah. Like a 200 point tear. This would have been Wednesday. Yeah, so bulls couldn't get a break here. They tried to push here, got slammed back down. They finally got a break at about 1:30 a.m. So yeah, so just right here. But this, I mean, this feels like some sideways action here. Choppy. But the 3 hour seems to be pulling it up. Ooh, we like the 1 hour here for the bulls. So what do we got here? 6 hour. 6 hour could do something for the bulls. 4 hour. What's the time? 3 to 9. It's 5 now. Oh, 6 hours got plenty of time. 4 hour to 7. It's halfway over. Get a new candle on the 3 in an hour. 2 hours fresh. Got some hope for the bulls. 1 hour. Pulled up quick. Yep, then shot down. Then back up around 130 here. It's a cool pattern. Yeah, we like that. Nice and tight RSIs. Not complaining. Got some time on the 40. I don't know, these tight trigger waves. I don't know if the bulls can. I'm not feeling as confident about trading with the bulls at this particular time. Have to fast wait a little bit. Especially, what's my 15? Yeah, 15. Red dotting. You know. Came down, then it went up. Okay, hold on. This one's more like this. You know, so maybe she comes down, kind of does one of those, kind of like over here. No. Yeah, maybe like here, comes down, hop. Yeah, we got ourselves we got a fight going on. The bulls and the bears. They're fighting over control here. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything in particular. You know, we do have some resistance lines. We got a spider line, and then we have this imbalance here where, so you know, I would set an alert here. Well, actually, I would just be watching my screen. I'd watch the screen on the 5-minute here, and just check back every 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do that. Let's just. All right, boom, it's been 10 or 15 minutes. Looks like the bulls are making a little push. Or a big push, actually. Very nice. We're at the spider line. Hey, is this that spider line? 880, 860. Okay, no, it's not this. It's like around here. So there's a spider line there, though. Okay. Let's keep going. I want to see, what do I want to see? Case for the bears. You know, we start closing some fives up here. Maybe we take the trade. She comes back down. Could be a case for a short. Because this is some sideways stuff is what I'm seeing. So might have to look for a scalp. Let's just see what the market wants to do here. All right, I'm gonna check on, because this is feeling kind of bullish here. Might have ourselves a stampede in the making. Yeah, so R15 is getting a little bit of continuation. I thought it maybe she'd drop down, but it's got low continuation action. Oh yeah, 40 still looks good. Slightly inward curved. Money flow is kind of flat though. I mean, this is what we really want. We want to see some turtle shells. This whole, you know, not very confident type money flow here. Okay, we got the 1 hour clipping for the bears. I could see that. Maybe some more red here. And what's the higher time frames doing? Money flow is getting out of there, but it's still pretty deep for the higher time frames. Yeah. I don't know, folks. I think this 1 hour's got a shot. Yeah, I think this 2 hour just curve right back down. I mean, the thing is there's a fight, so I anticipate I don't have confidence that any move, bulls or the bears, will be very strong. And, you know, if it is, then okay. But the point is not to actually predict what is going to happen, but to be confident about what trade we do take. That's really all that matters. If there's something here to be confident about a move, I'm not seeing it. You know, this might have been a long opportunity, but we weren't trading mean, let's see if she can get above our orange resistance here. Okay, that's a pretty strong push. And that's a strong push. And that's a strong push. It's that fight. This is that fight, folks. Look at this, though. This wick couldn't get above this one. Yeah, 24 minute. Ooh, the 20 minute. Come on, 40. Oh, yeah. Folks, we might have to take this. I'm looking at this bearish short here, short opportunity, folks. Yeah, that 1 hour I think is going to play. Be real nice to see the 2 hour do something here. Got another hour to find out what it does. You know, this is let's get rid of this crap. There could be a short opportunity here. But man. Oh my goodness. Well, there it is. I mean, there's not much you can do about that, folks. You know, we try to play things by the book. I wanted to see a couple fives close down here, and then, you know, and then I take the short. But sometimes it's like that, you know. Sometimes it just moves 96 points in 5 minutes. What are you going to do? Can it give us an entry? I'd love to see a retracement up to here. Oh my goodness. Well, I think we missed that short, folks. We missed that short. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because, you know, our criteria to play it wasn't met. And, you know, really I needed to see this 15, and the 15 is just now cracking down. I mean, don't get me wrong, this thing could just be getting started. But now we just need, you know, it's just tempting to just jump on in this thing, to be honest with you. It is tempting. But no. We're going to watch it. Exactly. That, you know, it's a fight, folks. It's a fight. And you will get washed up if you're not careful. Now, right here, let me tell you something. Say I won't. Whoa, I won't. No, sir. No, thank you. NQ's doing that thing. Exactly. Man, we'd have been, if we'd have taken that short, we'd have been crushed just like that in 5 minutes. I need these lower time frames to show me something. Give me something to work with. You know, I can work with that now. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Now this has got some bearish. Bring the bear out. The bears are attacking with everything they got right now. Wow. Two hour, there's that trigger. The 1 hour hasn't even confirmed yet. Just getting started on this train. The 3 hour, which we thought has some bullish in it, which is probably what's putting up the fight. The lower time frames got more money flow than I want to see. You know what I mean? I mean, this thing is washing machine style. What would I need to see here? What would I need to see? Man, there's the short right there. That would have been beautiful. And I think that's the inverse call right there. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, that would have been a good one. All right, what do we got now, folks? What are we talking about? I mean, if she gets down just that much further, she could just fly right back up. You know, we're getting all kinds of support down here. Let's see what happens here. All right, I gotta penalize myself a candle. Been chilling for too long here. Let's see if it'd be nice if she tried to get back up there one more time. I don't even know if I was short it then. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Hold on. Sheesh. We knew it was coming. That's a nice short right there. I mean, NQ, like playing with fire right now. Even that right there, we couldn't set our stop this far back. These are some big candles, folks. I'm gonna clean up my chart just a little bit here. Okay, we're below. You know, let's catch up TradeZella, 7:39 a.m. Okay. Okay, we hit this spider line here. She's thinking she might bounce off of that. No gap. There's no gap here, folks. Totally disrespected this gap, but then came back, inversed. Beautiful inverse. Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, that was the trade right there. Oh my goodness, in 5 minutes. Wow. Oh, this is the hour candle. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, that was the hour candle. Still, that would have been in 20 minutes. Insane. 2 contracts, almost $8,000. That's what that trade was there. Okay, so we're dealing with these spider lines here. All right, we're gonna stick to the playbook, folks. We're sticking to the playbook. 15 is open to the downside. I want to take a short. I'm just wondering, can we survive the swings right now? These swings are just astronomical right now. 4 hour. Let's get rid of some of this. There's a fight going on here. Look, the bulls want a piece on the 4 hour. 3 hour don't know what it's doing. And the 2 hour wants to dip down. I mean, it's just an all-out brawl. You know, this 1 hour could come down and then zip right back up. You know, with this right here. There's a lot of wash going on right now. We saw it on the 24 minute. We even saw it on the 20. That could have been good enough. Now this 20's got some VWAP action. She could come right back up. Yeah, 10 minutes clipping. We're not trading this, folks. Not in this particular moment in time. Let's see. I want to see what this price does. She made her bearish move. You know, will she give us an entry? Yet to be determined. Good thing we didn't short at that particular time. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Where are we at? 810. Okay. She is not wasting any time. These trades are happening so fast. I mean, of course, I'm fast forwarding, but even still, look, within 30 minutes, got back up there within 30 minutes. Come on. Did this in 20, back up in 30. This is crazy. This is a New York session? Yeah, this is that New York session stuff. Wow. All right, now if we got a 5-minute trigger to the downside with this money flow now leaving like it is, that adds some confidence. That adds some confidence. Okay. Okay. I came back up here. What is she gonna do? It's the 1 minute. 1 minute's been calling it. Look at that 15. Beautiful. $20s. Oh, that's a nice trigger wave. Look at that. I mean, we're calling this stuff, but we're not trading it. This is some high risk type stuff going on. Wow. This does look like it's got some juice for the bulls. Did that 1 hour flip back? She's trying. Look at this though. Crack the eggshell types. Look at that. This is choppy. Okay, I don't think we're supposed to trade the chop for real. 2 hour wants to go down. 4 hour wants to go up. You know what I mean? This is Chop City. Let's hold what we got. You know, I'm looking for that confident trade, folks. So we've been at it since what, 5 a.m. Let's see. It's 8:30, so 3.5 hours. We've just been checking back every 10 to 15 minutes on the charts while we're getting stuff done around the house. You know, that's how this would go down. You know, it's not even noon yet. Let's play it out a little bit more here. Let's go a little slower. Okay. Wow. For it to be 2,800? No way. That's a 1,600 trade. Okay. 3 minute. Looks like a push up, folks. It looks like a push up. All this here. All right, what am I not seeing? 15's got some room. All right. I like the 15 right now. One hour's got a little something. 2 hours got a little something. Yeah, these bulls are starting to wake up. Look. It's getting close to that time though. She's got a little push in her. I don't like these setups. You know what? I like this. Two hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, and the 3. Pushing up. 24, pushing up. 15, up. Up. I think I'm gonna have to go long here. Set my stop like here. Take profit up here. Oh, I was hoping I could get me a candle pull back just a little bit. Oh, that's all right. It's all right. Yeah, well, there's your pullback. Okay, here we go. Might be able to work with that. take that. Um, 10:07 a.m. Don't have a lot of time. 10:07 a.m. Getting set up here. 8:37:25. All right. Journal it up, folks. All right, let's get a 2 hour, 1 hour. We'll get those going. Okay, 5 minutes locked. taking some screenshots here for us, folks. The 1 and the 2. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's get these over here. 5. The 15. Getting my screenshots in my journal here, folks. We like the 2, but not for long. The 1 hour, we're hoping she's got a little squeeze left here, coming to a close in the day very soon. It's very possible we're crazy for longing so close to where the bears just dunked on the bulls, but just kind of trading what I see in MarketCipher, and you know, we gonna see, folks. I think I'm all set. We're doing this on the 1 minute, so we got to be careful with this. All right, we're taking it very slow here, folks. Let's see what MarketCipher can do for us today. The wrong way. It's got off to a good start here, folks, but she is turning around. All right, let's see. 1 minute. The 3. Guess I should have made take profit the spider line. Shoot. Yeah, definitely should have did that. Oh, no, don't look at that. Okay, it was like at the same exact place. Okay, good. I can kind of look at it then. All right, just a 15. I don't like how the 10's starting to clip, so I was kind of afraid of that. But I mean, these mid time frames look like they're still ripping. So if we can just survive this, you know, this oscillation here, we want to see this 3 minute just kind of push back up for us. That's my 1 minute. Okay. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm taking profit right there. I'm taking profit right there. And I'm going to break even. Well, let's do this on. We're not taking an L on this one, folks. Okay. All right, so let's get to 1031. So we've been in, oh, I forgot to move this to an hour. 1007, be 1107. So right here. All right, so we've only been in this trade technically for 24 minutes. We were up about 800, down about 1,000, and now we're up again about 1,000. And we're going to take half of that. We're going to take profit because we're at our TP, and it's close enough for me, even though it didn't run through it. You best believe I'm taking some take profit on this one. 1031. So we can replay it here and watch what happens 1 minute at a time. Looking at the 15-minute. Let's look at the 1 minute. All right, let's really watch this thing. So there we are. Within the first 5 minutes, you know, we touched 600. And then 5 minutes after that, we're down 600, 700. And then 5 minutes after that, where am I at? 1031. Okay. I'm saying, why is she going the right way here? Okay. Should be at 860. All right, there it is. My take profit is at, where is this? Like 864. Let's see. This candle got to 863.75. Yeah. I mean, come on, folks. We're taking one off the table. We're selling it. We're 900 up, so we're taking 450 profit. Just like that, y'all. And we're moving our stop to 839, which is $30 in profit. That'll take care of the fees. So 839. Yeah. All right. Now we can keep playing this and exit either when it comes back for us, or if she wants to keep going. Our exit criteria is based on MarketCipher. Right now, the 1 minute is wide open, so I mean, we're gonna let her do something. Just bouncing around on that spider line. That's a good sign. Okay, now she's dipping back below. What's she doing on the 3? Not the greatest. 5, not the greatest look. 10 inwardly curved. 15 still open, folks. I'm gonna let it go because those mid time frames. Oh, she stopped us out. She stops us out. Okay, boom. So it stops us out here on 1038. So just a couple minutes later. All right, that's the trade. Boom. That is the trade, folks. So we'll let it play out here and see it in action. So like right now, we're 450 up. We could take another 450. We could have, but we let it play. We end up giving back $420. But you know, she also could have just ripped, right? There it is. We found our trade for the New York session, and we played it beautifully because, I mean, you know, who wants to be back in the red after it hits TP1? Yikes, that's not a good feeling. So, I mean, I am seeing, like I already said, that 15 is still open. And we're kind of putting in higher highs, higher lows. Just for fun, you know, we're going to play it out because we're not taking another trade here in the New York session. Okay. Once again, the trading plan has been our voice of reason. Beautiful price action. Wow. Look at this, coming down, hitting the spider lines. Look at this. From one spider line down to the next. Look at that. Spider line, spider line, spider line, support, spider line. Love it. Look. You know, and so really what I found is that a big part of trading is to learn to trust your trend lines, your ley lines, the spider lines, like building some kind of trust when you can anticipate price will get a reaction there. And then you back it up with some MarketCipher action, you know, and you got yourself a trade. Like, look at this one on the 5 minute. Boom. Tight RSIs. If you'd have got in here, boom, there's one contract, there's almost $400. 2 contracts, that's about $700 or $800. You know, of course, that's if you're scalping, you just take it. You don't, you know, if we're like scalping, then we're down on the 30 second, the 15 second, and we're watching very closely. I'm not really, I like where I'm at right now. I like this intraday. You know, my trades typically take on average about an hour. When I sit in them about an hour. I can expect when I enter my trade, within an hour, I should be hitting take profit 1. And I like that because I'm hitting take profit 1. I'm moving, you know, my stop loss to somewhere comfortable. And then I'm just basically like, okay, whatever you want to do now, market, go for it. On the 30 second and stuff like that, you know, as soon as you get in the trade, it could just go against you 2 seconds later, and then it's stressful. But yeah, look at that. I mean, as soon as she broke out and closed this candle, there's your short right there. That'd have been a beautiful short. Easy stop loss. Easy stop, 21 to 30, you know, 28 points, 29 points. Boom. He didn't have much time though. Very cool. Very cool. Folks, we're fast forwarding to, because we trade the New York session, and then we come in over here and we trade the Asian session. That's kind of our thing that we've learned to do here in the series. We like to take a swing at both. Why not? Two trades a day. Okay. So it's our New York session trade. So I need to get the price over here to 330. Yeah, we'll say 340. We're coming back to the computer. That'll be next episode. Wow, just getting all kinds of respect up there. All right. There we are, folks. 345, let's see. Oh, okay, really like 353. Okay. So Thursday 1553. Thursday. $15. $53. Oh, look at that. Right back where we started. Some beautiful trading today, folks. Folks, we are up. I wonder what our TradeZella rating is score. Okay, it's getting up there. We're gonna have to make a lot more profit because it doesn't like when you've been down further than you've been up. You see how we've been down as much as 5,700. We're just now getting above that, so that's kind of a good sign. Our win rate is impressive. Our consistency is getting there. I mean, you know, we had a rough go at it those first 2 weeks, folks. We weren't trading the plan consistently. Those take profits are key. We would have lost if we didn't take profit on this trade. Look, hit take profit and hit take profit again. And if we're just ignoring that, we lost. We got stopped out. We'd be down 1,600. And that's the kind of trading we were doing in the beginning of the first 2 weeks. We were getting greedy. We was hoping, oh, if she gets above here, she could really, thousands of dollars. And it's just like greed. It's just not worth it. All right, folks. What's there to look at? We're wrapping this up. It's a good stream. It's a good trade. Let's see what we got. This is what I like to see right here. Wow, we took a $5,600 trade there. Well, 2 trades that I think equivalent to 5,600 on the 15th, and then 5,000 here on the 20th. Folks, this is the best trading I've done ever. I'm really finding my groove. And look at these trade time performance. Okay, trade time. you know, right around this New York session. Yeah, between 6 and 8 a.m. Look at all these wins. You know, this Asian session. And then after 10, what is after 10? Still Asian session. You know, a lot of this too is kind of some bad data because we weren't trading the plan like we're supposed to. So we'll let this accumulate. We'll see what she looks like after once we get closer to the end of the next week. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more trading days, and we still have the Asian session on this Thursday. I mean, just fantastic, folks. Love to see it. Trade duration. Most of my wins are like right around an hour. 20 minutes, 47. So 35 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes. That's where most of my wins are coming from. If, you know, look at my losses. I'm sitting in the trade for 3 hours, 2 hours. Like, if I'm sitting in the trade for longer than an hour and a half, that's a clue. It's a clue. My 15-minute, trade setup is not hitting. I need to probably consider that as part of an exit strategy. But that's the kind of analysis we'll be doing on the data when we wrap up series 2, maybe even once we wrap up the entire 100 trades backtesting challenge. Here's our account balance. You know, we were having a rough at it those first 10 days. Finally getting some momentum here. All right, folks. Taking some winners. Let's keep it going. This is what we want to see. A lot different than what we were seeing before. A lot different than what we were seeing here in these 2 weeks. Beautiful trading. Folks, thanks for tuning in. Don't miss the next time CMZ trades.
have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living?